Hey guys, it's Namatula and Tina Core. Let's talk about one golden rule of saving.
Always save first, spend later. It's
Okay,
the
real talk,
easiest
how
way
many
to grow your
coffees do
money
you buy
without
every week?
stress.
Cut just 2 of them and you'll save hundreds by
Before you
year's
buy
end.
anything
That's your next
impulsive,
mini
try this
vacation.
one thing.
Wait 24 hours before buying. Tang. Most times, you'll realize you
for you
don't.
today.
Every time you get a $5 bill, journal, save
It's a
it.
piggy
It
bank
adds
when
up
your phone
faster
can
than
save
you
for
think.
you.
Use saving apps. They round up your purchases
Let's get
and
real
stash the
here.
change.
Emergencies happen
Easy
when you
savings.
least expect them.
That's why even saving $10 a week for
Saving
your
alone is
emergency
cool,
fund
Frel,
can
but
make a
saving
big
with friends
difference.
is better.
Make a group goal, Frel, like a trip fund or
Here's a
gadget
mindset
fund.
shift that'll
Motivation
change your
stays
saving
strong.
game.
When you get paid for you, pay yourself first.
What?
Save
Half your
before
money
you pay
leaks through
anyone else.
useless subscriptions.
Unsubscribe from what you don't use,
Try this
and
challenge
boom,
quick.
instant
A full
savings
weekend
every
using
month.
only cash. Yeah.
It makes you more aware of what you spend
What if
far
I
and
told
helps
you
you save without
$1 a day
realizing
could
it.
change your money habits?
$30 a month without even
Here's a
thinking
super
about it.
simple way to
Small
manage
steps,
your money.
big
Hey,
results.
the 50-30-20 rule.
50% needs, 30% wants,
Here's a
20%
super
savings.
simple way to
Balance
manage
and
your money.
discipline
Hey,
in one
the
formula.
50-30-20 rule.
50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Balance and
Your
discipline
current
in
one's
one
still
formula.
great.
Skipping upgrades is like giving your wallet a
Your bank
raise.
do the saving
Save
for you,
now,
say
upgrade automatically.
Yeah. Roundup apps save your spare change after every purchase. Hey,
late at night?
smart
We've
and
all been
everywhere.
Unfollow those store pages, Tay.
Want
Your
free
sleep
money from
and your
stuff you
savings will
already
thank
buy?
Use cashback apps. Ella, it's
Grocery
saving
prices got you
disguised as
stressed?
shopping
Let's
rewards.
fix that.
Make a list, stick to it, and never shop hungry.
Goals can
Chai.
feel scary,
Instant
Clyde,
savings.
so let's make
every
them
trip.
smaller.
Save $20 a week for one small thing, Terry. The
Remember,
motivation
Luke,
grows.
saving
as
isn't
your
about
money does.
restriction, it's about freedom.
Start small and keep going.
Smart money habits
Thanks
today
for
make
watching.
rich
Don't forget
results
to like,
tomorrow.
follow, keep practicing them.
See you in the next episode, Trey. And remember,
Challenge, Chow.
your wallet
Save
deserves a
$5
break,
a
too.
day and see how it feels by Friday.
Tag us when you try it, child. We
Smart
love
isn't
seeing
about
your
cutting
progress.
joy,
It's
let's grow
about creating
together.
options for the life you want.
Catch you next time for more easy finance
Dollar you
hacks.
save
Stay
is a seed.
motivated.
Plant
stay
it today,
money-wise.
watch it grow tomorrow.
Thanks for tuning in. Like and follow for more ways to make your money work for you.